Well, you can grab a good meal while exploring one of South Florida's newest attractions.
A delicious French dip is on the menu tonight as we grab a bite with Belkys.
The chef, Tony Taro, serving up local food favorites at Food at Science inside the Philip and Patricia Frost Science Museum in Miami.
I'm all about bringing, what's in Florida, what's in season. I want to bring that to the tables over here for a restaurant. Everything has a little bit robust. It's a lot of Miami flair to it. It's light. It's pretty cool. A lot of very good flavors.
Just like the museum, Food at Science is open 365 days a year and features lunchtime favorites made with locally sourced and made from scratch ingredients. So after you've checked out the museum, stop by and check out the dish we're making today. It's one of Chef Tony's favorites, the French dip. Chef Tony starts with a white sub sandwich roll and adds garlic aioli.
You can even make the aioli yourself, but for the simplicity of doing it at your house, I would suggest to buy the mayo, roast the garlic, and make the garlic aioli in the oil, and then just squeeze them in and puree it.
You can find an easy recipe for that on our website. Next comes some roast beef.
You start with the top round or the butt, and you cure it. You put this really amazing seasoning on it, let it cure overnight, and the flavor's really going to penetrate in there. Then you rinse it off and you roast it in the oven, until it's done.
Chef Tony adds caramelized onions, fire-roasted poblano peppers, bell peppers, and provolone cheese. Then he slides it into the pizza oven. At home, you can set your oven on broil and leave the sandwich inside long enough so the cheese melts and starts to brown.
All right, and I think this is done right now. Yeah, that's perfect.
Next, Chef tops off his French dip with a side of potato chips and au jus, which you can find at the supermarket.
With our French dip, I recommend the Arnold Palmer. It's really amazing. And it comes with a nice eco-friendly paper straw. Cheers. Welcome to Food at Science. This is my French dip with caramelized onions, bell peppers, fire-roasted poblanos. Enjoy.
All right, Chef, looks good. You can find more information on this and other recipes on our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and click on Bite, and while you're there, you can check out my Bite blog. And while you're there, think about visiting the Frost Museums. Pretty cool. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.
I need more au jus sauce, though.
Oh, man, that
was like a
good.
little tiny cup of it.
So. I'm sure you could ask for a little extra on the side.
Looked really good.